warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, mayong adlaw, ninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa iyo ba? Ano ko rin? Kaya mo, diba? Hindi mo nag-a-attend ng fun run. Pero tungkol kay na ako din yung tanan, naapod ko din.
Sindari lang siya. Likod na na. Surprise.
Basta Pilipina, ma'am. Guwapa yun na. Ang Pilipina din na nagtindog. Guwapa na. Sa pananaw sa tibuok kalibutan. For after all, sa Miss Universe, pinakabuo ng ato ang winners. We have 4 winners sa Miss Universe. So, undoubtedly, the beauty of the Filipina is global. Mubuon na lang na ako ni kayo saka na ang adlaw. Mga daot ang inyong mga kutis. Yes, so, maabtan mo mag-jogging sa kabalo mo sa kasayunin inyong event. Unang-una, wala na ko naligo. Para nag-brush ko ha. Nag-brush ko. Wala na ko naligo. Nanimahot pa kong efficacy ikan sa masahe kagabi. Tapos, isa lang kabuok medyas ang ako ang nabira. Ingana ka sa iyo ang inyong event. First off, I'd like to thank the organizers, on any Sunday Riders, and to our partners, the Orang Butri Triathlon Team. Congratulations sa inyong tanan mga organizers for keeping the spirit of bringing former President Rodrigo Duterte back home in the Philippines safely. Keeping the spirit alive. Thank you very much. And of course, I would like to thank the participants to this fun run. You are supporting Field of Dreams Davao and Bantay Hayop Davao. Maraming salamat. Tungod kaninyo, masuportahan nato ang mga non-government organizations na nagasuporta sa mga hayop o mga kabatan-unang lalaki. The fact that you chose to spend your Sunday morning on the Davao Coastal Road is not just for the thrill of the ride, but for something bigger. And we are truly grateful. On behalf of the family, we thank you as well for your prayers and your continued support to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Naghanan ng utalang kagabi, kung tinuod ba itong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyang room, dili ito tinuod o walay nang tabo nga ato. In fact, sa pagtawag, natulog siya ang mga panahon na, itawagan siya sa abogado o pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka unconscious sa iyong kwarto, yun siya wala. And maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. So, dili ito tinuod. And we hope to hear good news for the public hearing on his on the appeal for his interim release on November 28th. But if not, we will continue to, the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague, in the Netherlands, and of course, continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case. So, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. I hope you enjoy your fun run, and don't forget your sunblock and your hydration, your water. Very important. Mahayong buntag. Shukran.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sarah Zimmerman Duterte. Ayan po. And our Vice President will do the honor of pushing the button for our 3K runners, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? Huh? Meron tayong special treat in this run. Thank you very much, Vice President. Alright, so, we're counting down the last 10 seconds. Here we go. Sabay-sabay po tayong pagbilang. And then our Honorable Vice President will push the button for the starting horn. Let's go. At 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning! My contact VP! Of course.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. And even sa mga supporters ko ng mga Duterte coming from the different parts of the country, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you very much. And as mentioned by our dear Vice President, let's keep on praying, hoping, crossing our fingers na makauwi na talaga si Tatay at Duterte sa Pilipinas and especially here sa lungsod ng Davao. We miss him already. Starstruck. Actually, kami din po, starstruck. That's our dear Vice President po. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
No problem po, no problem.
That's our Vice President, Sarah Zimmerman Duterte.
Of course, ma'am.
Indeed, it's a special treat for everyone who is here. Diba? Di na sayang yung pagising niyo sa umaga na madaling araw. Yung iba, nabitin yung tulog. So, kapag mga nag-21K, they miss something. But nevertheless, they did something good naman. And that is showing the support for our dear Tatay, Tatay Digo. nila ang presence ng ating Honorable Vice President.
But still, the great friend of November family stands for all the runners, the 5,000 runners who run today.
Yes.
Superman, bring him home.
Wala, di na din sila managan yun. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this time together with our dear Vice President. It's not an everyday thing na lumalabas po siya sa public, okay? Especially on the run events like this, no? We've been hosting events, fun runs, but dito lang po sa Duterte Run natin makikita si Vice President po. I'm sure yung iba excited na for the next leg, Run 3.
Okay, VP magkuhan ba? Mag-selfie ko?
Lagi, mas pa si VP mag-selfie kaysa ko ba? Kaya ako mag-selfie kanina, namurot ko. Namurot ako sa excitement.
Wala din may light pa. No?
Yes. Dagang salamat sa suporta, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Try na ako dreams na ako ang area kung pwede ba na ako. Lagi? Dapat ay 5.1 na siya. Pwede po ba magpasente kay VP? Dagang salamat yung kaayo, VP. Dagang salamat sa inyo ang pagtanggol. Kapag kita din sila managan ba? Sabi nyo kayo si VP mag-selfie, no? May pas-pas man.
O, siguro yung nasahay sa iyo, ano, yan ka mo. Bakit? Sabi ba, no? Ang nagmungin sa ilang cellphone, si VP ba dyan?
Lagi.
Okay, paglubad si VP guys, guwapa gyapon siya.
Wow. Or tuloy-tuloy yan, mahuman VP ba?
Morning, evening, midday, afternoon, whatever it is. Whatever time of the day, VP is VP Inday. Maganda siya, fresh siya, wala pa siyang problema. Hindi ata. Hi, ma'am.
Ay, sorry, na-video! Asan si... Diba, Rihanna? So nice to see you.
Thank you po. Grabe yun niya ka. Very, very humble. Very humble talaga si VP guys.
Ayan. More?
way she interacts with people, she's so humble, she's so kind, she's simply the best, guys. She is indeed a public servant and definitely not a politician. Grabe yun niya kagwapa.
Pictures taken by the four babies.
She's so kind, mga kababayan. She definitely knows how to deal with the crowd. She's just simply a public servant, not a politician. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating Vice President talaga ay napaka-humble, guys. Any time of the day, siya ay napagmahal sa tao. And I think she's going to give this crowd as well their time and attention.
Ayan, ang ganda.
Thank you so much.
Ang ganda ni VP.
My honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for accommodating everyone po, taking your time to have a picture with your supporters. Maraming salamat po. Time check, it's 5:21. Up next po natin are the 1K runners together with their fur babies.
We would like to invite our 1K runners,
1K runners.
to prepare.
I just really love her. She's so down to earth. She's well grounded. She knows what it is that she is doing. She's connecting with the crowd. She's definitely a leader that we need to protect. A leader that we will elect in 2028 as the next President of the Republic of the Philippines. Mabuhay po kayo, Madam. Mabuhay po kayo, Ma'am, Vice President Inday Sara Duterte.
Lahat po ng mga 1K runners with their fur babies, assemble na po tayo dito sa starting area. Ito na po yung pinakahintay ng mga 1K runners natin, yung kanilang oras para tumakbo alongside with their fur babies. And there are some important reminders na po when you run. If you like to place for the top 3 spots,
I just like looking at her from the sidelines because, you know, she's definitely a person with grace, with great conviction, a person who knows what it is that she is trying to do. She's a person of courage, very resilient. That's why the Filipino people love her. Just like your father, Vice President Inday Sara, we do love you.
All 3K runners, you may now go outside, take your time to run, do your 3K run. Next, we have our 1K with the fur babies. Lahat na mga 1K participants natin, together with their fur babies, you are up next. Again, if you would like to win a spot sa free for the 1K run with your fur babies. Importante na yung inyong mga aso, pinapatakbulan, hindi naka-stroller o hindi nakakarga. Yes.
Naglalakad or tumatakbo, right? Yes. So, get ready with your fur baby. And make sure na sabay kayong tatawid sa finish line.
Yes, sabay kayong tatawid. Hindi pwede yung nauna yung inyong aso. Okay, o hindi pwede ikaw yung nauna. Yung aso mo na iwan. Naku, tago tayo doon. This is what the Duterte Run Leg 2 is all about. It's about support. It's about helping each other. It's about the solidarity that we show our love to our beloved former president and now mayor of Davao, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Maraming salamat. And again, to our presenter, for the organizer for coming such events on any Sunday rider of Davao and Orlando Triathlon team.
Nice to see you.
Thank you very much for having this event for the Davao Venues, where we can show our support, our solid support by running. Eh, pinapakita natin dito yung sakripisyo natin na gumising ng maaga, tumakbo na malayo, and
Malapit.
kahit malapit.
Basta tumakbo.
Ayun.
Huwag may tatakbuhan ng mga pinagutangan.
It's a beautiful Sunday, ladies and gentlemen.
Kung nandito po kayo sa kinatatayuan namin, you will see and appreciate the beautiful and majestic
Mount Apo. Ang ganda po ng tanawin natin. Beautiful Sunday, great weather.
Yes.
Hindi siya ganun kainit, cloudy, and Mr. Sun is slowly peeking out from the east. Okay? And of course, mas pinaganda po yung umaga natin with the presence with our dear Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Maraming salamat po. Yan. Hindi pa tayo nakaget over sa kanyang presence.
Look at that beauty, guys. She's so beautiful.
Starstruck here.
Thank you po. Thank you po, ma'am. Grabe kagwapa ni VP, guys. She's really a person of beauty.
Once again, this event is brought to us by On Any Sunday Riders Club Davao and the Orlando Triathlon team. The Duterte Run. Don't forget to hashtag us with your pictures and also your videos. Hashtag bring him home.
Bring him home. And as mentioned kanina ni VP, we are looking forward and praying for a
That's Attorney Delgra with Vice President Sara Duterte.
stroke ng ating beloved former President.
Let's continue to pray. Let's continue to pray also for the whole family, for strength for the whole family.
Yes, as they go through this tough times, no?
We are with them. We are definitely with them. For the whole family. And a lot of people, even the Bawenyos, are not only the Bawenyos are praying for the release and also for allowing our beloved to come home with the Philippines.
The signature campaign is still up and running. Meron pong signature campaign doon sa gilid ng starting area. Your support in allowing our dear
Kita na
mother come home
VP tahay
as soon as possible bago po mag-Pasko.
Mga taga-Butuan,
We want him to celebrate Christmas here in Davao City.
Ingat. Mag-ingat ka. Love you, VP.
Thank you, sir.
To run with all of us as well as Canada. So they came to support us and be with us for today. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am.
Yes, that's what I like.
Lagi VP, please.
Mga 3K runners na
Kahapon na nilapot.
pasok lang or kararating lang, you may run, okay? You may proceed to run yung mga late 3K runners.
VP,
Yung
please.
kararating lang, pwede pa po kayong tumakbo.
At mga hindi mga kababalik lang na runners, congratulations! At nakabalik na kayo, natapos nyo po.
Get well soon, VP.
Dr. Hero is here.
Our beloved Vice President of the Philippines is here to thank everyone for joining us, for allowing yourselves to stand with us and joining this event. And for everybody, there's free food, there's free ice cream, and there's free yummy pandesal.
Yes. Ang daming pagkain po nihanda sa umaga nito para sa lahat ng sumali sa ating second leg ng November run. Thank you very much. Don't forget to get your medals. Meron tayong pagkain.
So, ladies and gentlemen, sinabi po ni VP Inday that by 9 o'clock in the morning today, she will be visiting Butuan City where I'm from. And sa mga kababayan natin from Butuan, hi ma'am!
Followers.
Thank you po ma'am, thank you po. Thank you ma'am. She will be visiting Butuan City where I am from mga kababayan. So mga kaigsuunan na ako gikan sa Butuan or naa sa Butuan, ang atong Vice President mo visit Deraa.
Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Okay, thank you sir. Mubisita dira karon sa mubisita diha karon sa sa Butuan City ang atong Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. So Tatay Digong, ang effort sa mga tao para nimo, ikaw gyud gihapon ang number 1 ug nangungunang tao.
Hashtag and I'm fresh. Ay!
Ikaw gyud gihapon ang nangunguna na lumalaban para sa bayan. Ang mga tao, mahal ka pa rin Tatay Digong. Vice President Inday Sara Duterte is here. And all of your children are engaged in what seems to be ensuring that your legacy will live on forever. Tatay Digong, lumaban ka kasi ipinaglalaban ka pa rin ng mga kababayan natin, ng mga tao sumusuporta sa iyo, lalong-lalo na sa pamilya mo. Tatay Digong, ipinagdadasal ka ng maraming tao, kaya huwag na huwag kang sumuko kasi hindi kami susuko para sa iyo. Ay sir.
Search babies.
Format.
Again,
Thank you, sir.
katong mag-qualify
So, yun.
for the top 3 sa ato ang
Yun na nga, mga kababayan.
Dapat ang imuhang iro-
Nandito po kami ngayon sa
Okay? Pag ikarga na siya, all throughout,
Shout out to all of you.
portions of the route, bawal po yun siya, you will not qualify for the top spot. Okay? Kailangan nakauban mo, nagdagan ang iro. Ayaw po, kanang itira. Okay, maluoy ta sa ato.
Sorry.
Pwede na ako itirahon.
Okay.
Ayaw lang tirahan.
Sorry.
Tapos padaganon.
Yes, let them drink water pagbalik po.
Yes.
So basically guys, look, that's the Mount Apo mga kababayan. Look, Mount Apo po yan. Look, ang
And
ganda.
to those who just
Ang dami po mga
arrived,
tao
thank you so
dito
much
ngayon.
for joining
Grabe, guys,
us. And
oh.
welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
Ang iba nakabalik na po sila. Nakabalik na po sila from 5 kilometers, 21 kilometers. Nandito na po sila lahat. Nandito po yung ating... Sus, nice na to kung ma-interview to si VP Inday. Ayun, na-interview na po si VP Inday.
She has food for the pets. And a lot of water. Please hydrate that. We have a hydration stations in front of the stage. Don't forget to hydrate, ladies and
Ang
gentlemen.
dami lang nakabalik gikan sa 21K, 10K, 5K, and also the 3K runners po. Just in case, huwag mo kabalo, na si Vice President kami sa may finish line banda.
Oo, sa venue.
So, kaway-kaway kayo, Vice.
Sa ating lahat, the Vice President of the Philippines arrived and gave us a short message for everybody.
We are so honored.
Andito din po siya para magpasalamat.
Ayan guys, ang mga kababayan natin, 1 kilometer with their pets. They are going to run.
Dili siya ordinaryong padagan, ladies and gentlemen, because we are graced for the presence of
course,
our
ma'am. Of course, ma'am.
dear Vice President. And she even took time to have pictures with us po. Yung mga naiwan dito kanina sa 3K. Oo. Daming nagpapaselfie sa kanya. As a matter of fact, siya po ang yung mahawak ng cellphone.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.
Ating mga supporters. Oo, ganun siya kakapatitig. Ganun siya kagaling mag-selfie din po. Alright, so welcome back, runners! Welcome back to our event area ngayong umaga ng beautiful Sunday morning.
Isa naman.
Take time to
Grabe naman yung mga accomplishments. Ganin, tabang nag-ito.
yung ating majestic Mount Apo.
Ano mo lingkod sa sige.
Pili ang kayo, ito po.
Selfie.
Almost a cloudy morning.
Yes, and we hope you enjoy the clean, fresh air right here at the Coastal Road. It's Harless Sunday. Harless Sunday.
Yes, of course. Ang ganda po talaga. Hi!